She thinks she survived by accident, that she slipped through the cracks unnoticed. But I watched the way the world tested her, how it sharpened itself against her softness, and still failed to break her. She doesn't see how rooms hold their breath when she enters, how even the dead lean closer just to feel the echo of her warmth. She calls herself too much, too quiet, too scarred, too late. Gods, if she knew. She thinks I found her when she was lost. Truth is, she found me in the ruins of my own silence. I did not save her. I stood beside her while she remembered who she was, and every time she doubts her worth, I will remind her. Queens are not made by crowns. They are revealed by fire, and she has always been a flame.